Hi, welcome back to my channel. Here's another new code. Watch out and take care.
The Beautiful Yuka ni Zuma. Code JUR530. Released on December 9, 2025. And it has 180 minutes watch time. The story is about female insurance agent and the rich guy. Her husband company went bankrupt, so in order to pay her husband loans, the girl works as an insurance agent. Apparently, the girl was having a hard time finding a client. One day, the girl meet an old guy who is very rich. However, in order for the old guy to sign the contract, the old guy had a condition. The girl needs to satisfy the old guy happiness. They spent quality time together and the wonderful story began.
Make sure to subscribe and like and turn on notification for new codes. Thank you for watching.